bell pepper. Purple onion. Pinto beans, drained and rinsed. We've got our whole kernel corn. I'm just gonna come in with a bit of this for this easy and delicious Mexican breakfast. Now we've got our ranchero queso fresco cheese, and I am just gonna start breaking this up with my hand. Ooh, it's so moist and absolutely delicious. We've got our corn chips, our eggs, our green enchilada sauce, those green bell peppers, our purple onions, pinto beans, corn, all of the favorites of Mexican food, but we're making this into an easy family style breakfast that I think y'all are really going to love. We're gonna put just a little bit of salt on here, just like that, for those eggs. A little bit of ground pepper, freshly ground. I'm just grinding it right before our eyes. Love it. And we've got some paprika. And this is just, you know, another type of dried and ground pepper. Beautiful. Well, I'm gonna start in the middle here, and I like my eggs to be scrambled, so we're just gonna come in and start to mix around our little eggies here. I'm gonna break up some of the yolks. They're gonna be a combo of kind of like scrambled and sunny side up, but we've got such delicious ingredients here. And now we're gonna start mixing in our chips. And if you're a frequenter of Mexican restaurants or breakfast places, you have probably had this or at least seen it on the menu. It is one of my absolute favorites. And especially lately, I've been ordering it a ton. It is absolutely delicious when you kind of get those soaked tortilla chips in that enchilada sauce with all these yummy fixings. Oh, you guys, it is just absolutely to die for. You can add a protein to this if you like, but I'm not going to today. I'm just doing my eggs. I got my cheese, I got my beans going. So I do have some protein, some fiber, all the yummy stuff that really makes this my absolutely favorite breakfast. All right, we've just got this smoothed into an even layer here. Now I'm just coming on with my Mexican style blend cheese right on top. You can use whatever you want. You can use jack cheese, Colby Jack, even cheddar if you want, but I like a Mexican blend. And we're just popping this on. Oh, you guys, I cannot wait to dig into this. This is perfect for a big family breakfast, the reunion. If you volunteered to make breakfast at church on Sunday, you can just get out your hamabichi and make this deliciousness. Put it in some serving trays to take it with you if you can't cook it on site. But you cannot go wrong with this. All right, I'm just gonna close the lid on my hamabichi. I'm gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. We just had this going for about 5 minutes here. I just got a little green onion for some added freshness, but we did have, you know, those beautiful green bell peppers, our fresh purple onions. We've got corn in here. I think we're doing pretty good as far as the healthy breakfast department. Wow, that's looking good. Alrighty, only thing left to do, grab myself a gigantic, a delicious scoop here. Oh my gosh, you know what? I almost forgot. I had a little leftover enchilada sauce. put a little bit on mine. You can put some sour cream if you like. And the rest that I got left over, everyone else can share. Ooh, this just looks incredible. Now, Marty was inquiring about some extra meat, and you can totally do that on here if you prefer. But chilaquiles, one of my absolute favorite Mexican-inspired breakfasts. Oh my God. God, this is incredible. You gotta try it.